Wait, that's red. Really?
N17 instead of the R that it got.
With ownership of what we do or what was done to us.
No stops.
I guess, like, yeah.
Respect for one another. Does that make sense? And so I don't necessarily think that a guy who's on deployment,
Really?
who makes a phone call,
Behind me. Exit dive. Sees the traffic ahead. It's a bunch of people.
Like a big movie producers are making, they'll get by with something that an indie filmmaker can't get by.
No stop.
So like,
Yeah, and I'm coming. Thanks a lot.
Studio picture that comes by, they'll say what you're supposed to do. You just gotta figure out how much nipple this movie's allowed to have.
Yeah, no, you hear that from a lot of filmmakers that there
What the
is,
fuck? Like, no one's doing anything right this morning.
Real feedback until you have a.
I guess you're gonna turn left up there? How did I guess? Weird.
Vaguely and briefly walk us through what the fuck that organization actually is and why we should all give a damn?
Well, I don't think
No
we should
stop.
give a damn except
Mercedes.
for the fact that they're screwing with our movies all along.
Says it more, but explains it more. But I went to a church. My dad.
I got a hunch that this guy needs to turn right from the left lane. Hi, doggy.
You're my favorite customer.
Come on. Come on. There he goes.
He's very like, oh, that's just crazy. Like, how could this happen?
Really?
Like, or something. Or, I mean,
can't read the signs back there.
morality. Why is that required to be a good person?
I don't think.
Nope. No, turn on red. Nope.
It was like if I had farm animals just throwing barrels of hay. I can't even believe.
No, turn on red. Yeah, they don't have an arrow.
The level that.
I don't think the guy behind me stopped. Michigan does not know what lane he wants. Straight for the left turn lane.
People are kind of learning or recognizing for the first time, but yeah, maybe that is a word that we can do. And great story.
Red light run. I think that was the red light run.
Truth. I've had truth just once or twice at a fancy restaurant, so I'm hoping to find some again.
Are you looking for a rewarding new career?
Turns from the center lane there, I think. Red light run.
Absolutely loving this game.
Awesome. So that's the quarry.
The quarry. Yeah.
Fantastic. All right.
Yeah, no stop
let's
behind
get
me.
into it. A couple of weeks ago, we tried to.
No stop. No stop. No stop. Can we go 4 for 4? We do! Yay!
Up this week.
Well, I'm definitely a big film nerd, so I'm always looking for like something sexy.
No stop.
I think like there's something a little bit extra about.
I just want to point out that that is not a parking spot. Have a nice day. Get off my ass, please.
risk to the other twin, I guess.
I think that was a no stop up there.
Okay. I can't take this because I can't have grapefruit just because I'm taking this drug.
Well, that's
I
because
just ran right through the stop sign there.
affects the way you metabolize.
And I don't have a stop. I didn't have to yield to the
For
guy.
CBD and THC. So
You don't have to stop. No stop. No stop. Red light run.
Thyroid and all the body's like, fuck you. You were out of warranty.
Had to be in the left lane. Gotta turn right, be in the left lane, and move way over there. Great planning. Good job. No stop. Red light runner. Can you get off my ass? Oh. So take these broken wings and back off, please. You kind of deserve that. No stop.
sandwiches, pretzel, peanuts.
No trailers in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. If this is Connecticut, no trailers in the left lane. No, 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 you can't be there. If we're in Connecticut, we're in New York State on I-81. It's not enforced here, so it doesn't matter. And this is my exit anyways. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you next week with more videos. Yay! Okay, bye.